Welcome to Slabazar's PowerPoint for Pros, a video series that will help you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, you'll learn how to create some viral PowerPoint slide designs. But before that, check out Slabazar's free PowerPoint add-in to get presentation templates, themes, and other design tools, along with an AI-powered presentation creator. Check out the add-in for free using the link in the description. Anyway, let's move on to the video. Let's start off with this Glassmorphism slide. It's really easy to create something like this, and it will look really nice as an introduction slide to your presentation. First, let's add an image onto your slide. Go to Insert, Picture, and insert an appropriate image that covers the slide. Then, select the image and press Ctrl+D to create a duplicate. Now right-click the duplicate and go to Format Picture. Under Picture Corrections, set the sharpness to -100%. Then right-click the image and save it to your computer. You can then delete the duplicate image. Now move the original image and right-click the background and go to Format Background. Choose Picture Fill and upload the image that you had saved earlier. The image will now appear as the background. Now move the other image on top of the slide to cover it completely. Next, add a rounded rectangle and in Format Shape, under Fill, choose Slide Background Fill. Set line as gradient line and tweak the width as needed. Then add a shadow and tweak it to complete the look. This is how your final slide will look like. You can tweak it further by repositioning the shape or by adding more text. Now let's look at how you can create this morph transition in PowerPoint. Begin by placing your images in PowerPoint. You can create such images in PowerPoint itself by inserting an image and using the background removal tool, and then finally right-clicking and saving the image. Let's now select the first image and resize it. Right-click the image and select Picture Format, and under Artistic Effects, choose Blur and adjust the radius value. Now reposition and resize the rest of the images as shown. Change the transparency of the images that aren't important on the current slide. After this, all you gotta do now is create duplicates of the slide by selecting it and pressing Ctrl+D. And then reposition the images on each duplicate as shown. Don't forget to change the transparency back as you bring the images to the front and to add the blur effect for the image that is not in focus. Now duplicate the slide by repeating these steps. Finally, adjust the background colors, add some text, and select all the slides on the left, and then go to Transitions and add a Morph transition to finally get something like this. Now, let's move on to the third design. Let's learn how to create a slide like this. Start by inserting a suitable image onto your slide, and then duplicate the image by pressing Ctrl+D. Then select the second image and go to Picture Format and select Remove Background and mark the background area of the image to remove it. Click on Keep Changes when you're done. Reposition the cutout image on top of the original image. Next, go to Insert and insert a rectangle shape covering the slide. And then add some text on top of it. Adjust the font and font size as shown. Now select the shape and then the text and go to Shape Format, click on Merge and select Combine. Be sure to change the fill color and set line to no line as well. Right-click the shape and send it to the back. Now, right-click the slide on the left and create a duplicate. And on the first slide, zoom out and expand the shape until the slide is clearly visible through one of the letters. Once done, select both slides and go to Transitions and add a Morph transition to get something like this. Well, that's all for now. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel. We'll be posting more videos like this. Don't forget to check out Slabbazaar's free PowerPoint add-in. The link will be in the description.